How can I read large text files line by line, without loading them into memory? I want to read a large file, 5 GB, line by line, without loading its entire contents into memory. I cannot use redlines since it creates a very large list in memory.
Use a for loop on a file object to read it line by line. Use with open ... to let a context manager ensure that the file is closed after reading.
All you need to do is use the file object as an iterator. Even better is using Context Manager in recent Python versions. This will automatically close the file as well.
Please try this.
An old school approach.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.